Hello children, now we are going to learn maths, okay? It's a maths class now. So we were learning chapter decimal fractions, right? And we did practice at 15. Now next topic you are going to learn is multiplication of decimal fractions. Okay? So there are three methods to do multiplication of decimal fractions. So I have taken an example 4.3 into 5. Now method 1 I will show you. Okay, this is 4.3 into 5. Now 4.3 can be written as 43 by 10, right? One decimal point means you can write 43 by 10 in the fraction form into 5 by 1. 5 can be written as 5 by 1. Okay. Now this you can write as 43 into 5 by 10. Okay. Which is equal to, you have to do 43 into 5. That will give you 15, 1, 200 and 215. Okay, so you will write here 215 by 10, which will be equal to 21.5. So this is method 1. Okay, so when you multiply, what you are doing, you are changing, writing each one as fractions, then multiplying. Then at the last, you will add the decimal point and write it like this. Okay, so this is the method 1. Now second method is by making a box like this. Okay, here you are writing the multiplication sign 4.3, right? You can write 4, then 0.3 can be written as 3 by 10. And this 5 is written over here and multiplication. That means we are multiplying the numbers separately and the decimal separately. Okay. So 5 into 4 you will get 20 here. Now 5 into 3 by 10. 5 into 3 by 10 means 5 into 3 by 10. 5 into 3 is 15. That means you will get 15 by 10. Okay. Now this 20. So you got 5 into 4, 20. That you will write here. And this 15 by 10 you can write as what? 1.5. So you got the answer as 20 plus 1.5, which is equal to 21.5. So in the second method, what you have to do? You have to make a table like this. Make such boxes. Put the multiplication sign here. The decimal number, you will put the number here. The decimal here means 0.3, like this as fractions. Then other number here. If this is also having a decimal, you will have to write the decimal also here. And you will multiply each right here. Then last add. And you will get the same answer as you got when you made each of them as fractions. Okay, the first method and the second method, you got the same answer, right? Now there is one more method. Okay. The third method is, you just forget the what? Decimal. You do 43 into 5. Okay. 5 means you will get 15, 1 carry 21. Okay. Now this is the product you got. Now for this, how many decimal places are there? Here there is 1, here there is no. Means only one decimal place in total. So you will put one decimal place here. That means you get 21.5. That is 43 into 5 is 215. So 4.3 into 5 will be equal to what? One decimal place for this product. Okay. This will have a decimal place like this. So this is the third method. So when you are given a question, you can follow any of the methods and solve the problem. Okay. So children, as a next example, they have given the rate of petrol is this much. And SEMA, that is 62.32 per rupees 62.32 per liter. And SEMA wants 2.5 liter of petrol in her scooter. So you have to, what you have to find out is total rupees to pay. SEMA has to pay. How many rupees she has to pay. Okay. Now we can do this problem by two methods. Let us do this, the method 1. Method 1, what was it? Means you are going to multiply, right? You have to multiply 62.32 and what is this? 2.5. 2.5 means 2.5. Okay. So in the first method, how is it? You will write each as fractions. This will be written as by 100 and this will be written as 25 by 10. Here there are 2 decimal places, so denominator is 100. Now what you will do is, you will find the product. You can multiply this separately, okay? Into 25 you will do and see what will you get. 10, 1 carry, 16, 1 carry, 11, 1 carry, 31. 0, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 6 2s are 12. 0, 10, 1 carry, 8, 5, 5, 1. So you get, what you get here is, as the product, you get here 1, 5, 5, 8, 0, 0. Okay, this one, when you multiply 6, 2, 3, 2 and 25. And that you are dividing by how much? This 100 into 10 will give you 1000. Okay, so what will be the answer? Final answer will be, you have to, here there is 1000 means 3 decimal places here. 155.8000. That is, the answer will be, so this much rupees means rupees to be paid is 155.8. So this much money, 80 you can write, 80 paise. Okay. So this much money she will have to pay for 2.5 liters. So here, this is the first method we have applied. Okay. Now we can apply the second method also. Let us see. Okay. Here what you are going to do is, you will forget the decimals. You will write the number into 35. Into 25. And you will get the answer same as we got before. Okay, 155.800 is what you will get. Okay. Now, this is the product of these two. Now, how many decimal places are there? Here 2 and here 1. That means total 3. So, you will put the point after 3 decimal places. That means 115.80. So you got the same answer, right? So you can follow any of these. First, either you can change each into fractions and multiply, or you have to forget the decimals and multiply, and at last you have to put the decimal points of the total. If this is having 2 and this is having 1, total for the answer will be 3 decimal places. And if here it is about rupees, right? About rupees, a 0.800 rupees won't be there. So you just have to put 10 in the answer. Okay. How much ever 0 you put here, the value doesn't change. So this is the answer you will get, but you can write it as since we are writing it in rupees, you will write it as like this. Rupees 155.80. No need of 800. Okay. So this is the rupees. So here you can apply 2 methods of multiplication. Now let us do practice 16. Okay.